Okay, dear viewers, welcome again to Mtetus TV. Today we are going to see how to calculate, we are going to see about rectangle. We are going to see or to learn about rectangle. So first of all, before proceeding, make sure you subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button, also plus the bell that will appear, and also click the word which is written all. By doing so, you will get the notification of a new video that I will be uploading to this channel. Okay, now let us proceed. What is about the rectangle here today? About rectangle, we are going to see what is rectangle, the properties of rectangle, and the formula of rectangle. So we are going to discuss three things here. So first of all, rectangle is a four-sided figure with the following properties. Consider the rectangle ABCD below. This is a rectangle ABCD below. We are given here rectangle ABCD below. This rectangle, it has the following properties. Its properties: two opposite sides are equal and parallel. This rectangle, as you have seen there in the diagram, it has two opposite sides which are equal. Opposite side AB and side CD. These are two opposite sides, and also AC and BD, they are opposite side. So opposite sides are equal. And also inside this rectangle there is a right angles. So rectangle has got four right angles, which each right angle has a value of 90 degrees. So here there is a 90 degree, also here there is a 90 degree, and also here there is a 90 degree, and also here there is 90 degree, making a total of 360 degrees. So any rectangle has a total degree of 360 degrees. Also inside this rectangle, we have seen there are two lines crossing each other. This line is crossing is passing from B to C, and this one from A to D. So these lines are the one which are called diagonals. So diagonals of rectangle are equal. So the length of this diagonal is the same as the length of this diagonal, and the diagonal is the line that cut the rectangle into two parts. This line which cut rectangle into two parts is called diagonal. So that is all concerning the properties of the rectangle. So you have to know that this BD is the width, and this CD is length. Also, as the same as AB also is length, and the AC also is width. So that is all concerning properties. So now let us see the formula of rectangle. Any rectangle has two formula. Any rectangle that you know has two formula. Formula number one is formula of finding area, and formula number two is formula of finding perimeter. So let us start with formula of finding area. Formula of finding area, this is equal to area of any rectangle is equal to length times width. Length times width. So in order to find the area of any rectangle, you have to take the length times its width if you are given. For example, this is our rectangle here. So in order to find the area of this rectangle, you have to take this length times this width. And what is area? Area is the amount of space occupied by the figure inside. Amount of space occupied by this figure inside is called area. And what about perimeter? A perimeter is a distance. So a formula of finding perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus width times 2. So you take length, you plus width, and then you times 2. That is the formula of finding perimeter. And from the figure here we have seen, in order to get the perimeter of this rectangle, you have to take this length, you plus this width, and then you times 2. Why you times 2? Because this width and this width are the same, and this length and this length are the same. So in order to make it simple, we take length plus width, and then we times by 2. If you don't want to do that, then you have to take this width plus this length plus this width plus this length. Then we're going to get the perimeter of this rectangle. So it's very simple. So today let us end here, knowing these things, and then later on we are going to see how to calculate the area of this rectangle, and then after that we're going to see how to find the perimeter of this rectangle. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment nicely and share it to a friend. Thank you very much and have a